Hello guys, here I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna tell you about what's gonna happen this month. I'm free from work, I have time for scrap, so I'm pretty excited to tell you this. I'm gonna go to schools, to businesses, to try and get more e-waste, and yeah, I'm excited about it. And before I go, I will let a video of the last load, kind of update on how it goes, what I have done, and yeah, thank you for watching, and definitely more videos to come. Check out, please subscribe, and peace out. Today I'm gonna let you know, guys, an update on the last e-waste pickup that I had. So I scrapped out those PCs. Still have these old Compaq Desk Pro PCs, older PCs. So I'm trying to sell them, and I will have my buyer coming tomorrow. So all these boards, cables, aluminum, steel, this now are full with bits and pieces. So I will cash in and make room for more, cause I got 1 month free from work, and I can do this more, so more hours. And yeah, this month I am free to scrap, and I hope I will be able to get more e-waste, more things going on. I will try to go to schools too, to businesses, advertise more, and see what I can find and what I can get. And surely I will bring along with you, I will bring along you guys and record the progress. So like these boards, that I will keep them here for an example of how the older boards look like, all kind of ICs and EEPROM memory, and these gold fingers. So I'm pretty busy. The space it's compact. Also here, scrapped out monitors, printers, faxes, then they're plastic. So this is gonna go.